guys, welcome to this channel. This is भूमि उपाध्याय and आज हम करने जा रहे हैं Who knows me better challenge. तो इसके लिए मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहूँगी मेरी सिस्टर. तो अमीशा, प्लीज कम फास्टर. Namaskaram ji. So give your introduction.
Hi guys, this is Amisha and I am her elder sister.
She is my elder sister. तो आज हम करेंगे Who knows me better challenge. So I have some questions. So may I ask you?
नहीं, फिर ऐसे चैलेंज थोड़ी हुआ.
So कैसे हुआ?
See, you're gonna ask questions. अगर मैं आंसर दूंगी तो ये फिर या तो सही होगा या गलत होगा. तो चैलेंज कैसे हुआ? बाबू बोला
पापा, चलो बुलाते हैं.
मेरा बापू आवेगा.
पापा जी, पापा जी, प्लीज आ जाओ ना. हमारे चैलेंज है तो उसके अंदर 2 आदमियों की जरूरत है. 2 person. आ जाओ.
Okay.
So, आ जाइए.
Hi. Hello everyone.
So hi, this is my father.
इधर हो जाओ.
Yes. क्या चैलेंज
Come
है?
here. So अब की बार हमारा चैलेंज है Who knows me better challenge. तो इसके अंदर हम करेंगे, मैं आप लोगों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. यहाँ पे कॉपी रखी है. हाँ जी, यहाँ पे रखी है 2 कॉपी. ये स्केचेस हैं. आपको जो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी उसे राइट करके आपको कैमरा में दिखाना है.
Okay.
ओके, सो ये
कोई प्राइज है नहीं?
हाँ है, बट वो लास्ट में.
Okay. Okay.
तो आपको मैं गिफ्ट बता देती हूँ. बताओ. चॉकलेट.
Oh wow.
कौन सी?
फेबल.
तो बस चॉकलेट मेरी.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. मेरी है.
सो
Okay, let's start.
राउंड 1. तो हमारा फर्स्ट राउंड है. इसके अंदर है गेस माय फेवरेट्स. ओके, तो
योर फेवरेट.
या माय फेवरेट्स.
मैंने कैसा सिली क्वेश्चन पूछा?
सो माय फेवरेट डिश. राइट फास्टर.
योर फेवरेट डिश.
हुआ.
डन.
Done. So show in camera. Speak.
मटर पनीर.
Papa.
Any preparation of paneer?
Right. Both are right. So दोनों.
नहीं, which is better?
Which is
नहीं
better?
नहीं नहीं.
No,
भाई
no,
दोनों
no,
पनीर
पापा.
देख लो.
चलो okay.
तो हम दोनों
Okay.
को एक टिक मार्क दे ही देते हैं. एक्चुअली देना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay.
So second. My second question is my favorite paratha.
I know this.
Fast. What is this? रुको. Misha,
I'm done.
done.
आलू पराठा.
पनीर.
पनीर पराठा.
नहीं, पनीर थोड़ी. What पराठा? Onion पराठा.
Right. Amisha is right, Papa.
Okay.
So Amisha got in 1 tick. 2 ticks.
Yeah.
Right.
तो 2, 1.
So third question. My third question is my favorite fruit.
I know this. Are you done?
So Papa, are you? मेरा भाई पीछे से डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है.
Apple?
No,
No,
it's banana.
it's banana.
Actually I don't know.
मुझे पता, आपको भी लगता है ना मेरे फादर फनी है.
Actually वो जो छोटा बेटा खाता है वो ये तो कुछ खा लेते हैं. इसलिए मैं तो मेरी कौन सा फेवरेट है?
What is this, Papa? So
3. I got 3.
yeah, right.
Okay.
So my fourth question is, which is my favorite chocolate? Right.
Well, I'm confused between two, but still.
Papa done?
Yeah.
Are you asking about chocolate brand or what?
Chocolate brand, right?
Dairy milk.
Same, dairy milk.
Yeah, both get tricks.
I'm leading or losing what?
You're leading, right?
Chocolate is gonna be mine. I'm damn sure.
So my fifth question is, which is my favorite color? Okay. Fast,
This
fast.
is confusing, but still, again, I got it. It's blue.
It's baby pink.
Baby pink.
How do you know that?
Right. Papa is right.
No, you know what? When she was young, she used to do this. I love
ब्लू वाला तो
So,
मतलब
blue
एक्चुअली दोनों को टिक मिलना चाहिए.
No, 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 this is wrong. Baby pink is now your favorite. Blue was also.
Yeah, right.
Got that.
So let's start round 2.
Wait a minute. Who's the winner of round 1?
Anusha is the winner of round 1.
Well, I already knew.
Cheers. So round 2. तो इसके अंदर है What do I do? Okay.
You do nothing.
That's true.
So
I'm the master.
my second round is What do I do?
Okay.
तो इसके अंदर है 5 questions. नहीं 4 questions. तो my first question is, to save myself from my mother's anger, what do I do? Fast, Amisha. What? ये मुझसे पूछ रही है.
No cheating.
So
What do you do when what? When mommy
to
do what?
save myself from mama's anger.
From mama's anger. What
Yeah.
do you do?
You're right. So you lose.
Okay, hurry
No,
up.
wait.
Tick, tick,
Wait.
one.
No.
Tick, tick, two.
Stop it. Stop
Tick
right
tick
there.
3. Tick tick 4.
ये भी
Tick
सारे
tick
दिन का
tick
time
tick
नहीं है.
5. And Amisha lose. Now tell your answer, Papa.
Starts laughing or joking.
It's right. You didn't know.
Yeah,
So what do I do when I wake up late? Woke up late. Yeah.
when you woke up late, what do you
Yeah.
do?
I don't write this. I'll simply tell you. Okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay,
This is
okay,
kind of
okay.
cheating. See, you have to write it first, then you have to speak it.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is.
And you
gonna be
also have to write it.
Yeah. I forgot the question by the way.
What do I do when I woke up late?
When you woke up late.
Yeah.
This to I know better.
Well, I am losing this one.
So tick tick 1, tick tick 2.
Okay, I'm done.
So show in the camera. Show it.
What did you do?
And speak.
This is my answer.
So what is your answer?
So mine is, she became the prey of mama's anger.
No.
No, she asked what did she do.
Yeah.
So she normally says, Papa, आपने उठाया नहीं. This is the right answer, right?
So this is my first. So this is my third question. What I stream
But
on
first tell me,
YouTube.
where did you find these questions?
मैं क्यों बताऊं?
Yes.
It's from my mind.
Let me hear.
So what do I do when I stream YouTube?
मतलब, what do you watch on YouTube?
Yeah.
The most.
The most.
Shlok Upadhyay? Actually, he is the cameraman. Okay, I'm done. I'm getting this. No cheating, oh. Okay, this is
What?
my answer.
So what is the answer?
She mostly watches Remora vlogs or Akash Thapa's channel.
You are right, but
No, according to me,
There's no but in this.
she used to watch anything. It depends on her mood.
I am not. No.
वैसे मुझे दोनों अच्छे मतलब दोनों का
No,
आंसर ठीक लग
you
रहा है.
just played.
So
No,
give
no,
us
no.
both.
हाँ, okay, दोनों
This is the fact.
दोनों
Okay, give me half more.
इसमें टिकाई नहीं है, कुछ भी देखती रहती है.
तो दोनों को जाता है.
But you mostly watch Remora, na?
No, that's not fair, यार. So
Papa, you just played smart, no?
Of course.
So my fourth question is, what do I do most on my phone? What
Oh.
do I do most on my phone?
Okay. Here's my answer.
So what's the answer?
She either chats on WhatsApp or use YouTube.
No, either or.
Okay, nah, she does
Most
both
means
the
one.
things. No, she does both the things
Both the
equally.
things.
No, most means one.
Half the
According to
time
me,
she uses some
according to
WhatsApp.
me, she spent more time in
On
making
chatting.
vlogs.
Yeah, right. So
This is the recent one, na?
Now we have to do the recent one.
ओल्ड की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही है ना. Recent one. So Papa got
बता रखे हैं क्या?
no.
Yo.
So
Well, by the way, this is the
She
first
got
time he
plus.
did yo.
Next one.
oh sorry.
Next.
So next is final round, okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Now it is third, the
Round.
final round.
Yeah.
And the winner of the second round
इसके अंदर
is.
कैसे भी क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. The winner of second round is my father.
Okay.
Papa. Papa.
Once again.
Yo. No, you lose.
Well, I won the first round.
Yo, bro. So
I have chance in this round as well.
so.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Abe,
Go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Next.
So
Start.
final round. What is my favorite ice cream flavor?
What is it?
पापा वो अमीशा दीदी और चीटी.
Okay, I'm done.
That what?
It's chocolate.
Of course, it is chocolate.
Right. Of course.
Both are right.
Right and right. So my second question is, which snack I like most?
Okay.
Snack.
This too I know 100% it's right. I'm done. It's poha.
Of course, poha.
Okay.
It's right.
Give both.
I know her better.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. I do.
So
I do know her better.
So my second last question is, which color suits me? मतलब ये तो आप अपने it's not a question. It's
So do
what
we have
I'm
to write
asking.
this one or not?
No, you didn't.
So according to me, everything she wears suits her.
What?
No, serious.
What? क्या?
Whatever you
No,
wear.
she's asking about the color only.
Color only.
Sorry, your answer is wrong now.
No.
No, you'll
No,
get
wait.
only one chance.
See,
No,
it's
no,
not
wait.
a question. She
You
already
should talk
mentioned.
about the color only.
She already mentioned it. See, she already mentioned.
No doubt everything suits her, but according to me,
Black.
the color which suits her most is black.
I knew.
Right.
Well, by the way, she already mentioned that this is not a question, so we don't get points for this.
Don't get point, but the answer should be correct.
Yeah.
After all,
You have
something is asked.
Whatever. So my last question is any phobia
Why am
I
so
have?
nervous? What? Any?
Any phobia?
Yeah, you do have a phobia.
मुझे बहुत डर लगता है रियली बहुत हमेशा तुम भी रखो फटाफट
Yeah, I'm done. She have a phobia from the creepy animals like lizards or mouse.
And particularly Chipkali.
I do mention Chipkali.
Whenever she used to go to open this what you will say,
What?
What?
yeah, motor.
Motor.
Right.
Motor, right?
Summer.
Right. She
Yeah.
used
Summer motor.
she used to shout.
I remember the sound.
मेरी यहाँ पे बेइज्जती हो रही है रियली में
इज्जत
No, no,
है।
no. छिपकली से डरना तो एक इज्जत की बात है. Don't worry.
सो
मतलब बेइज्जती
this-
मेरी हो रही है किसकी हो रही है यहाँ पे?
तो इस राउंड में ये दोनों जीते हैं सो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा एकदम लास्ट वो मैं अपनी मर्जी से पूछना पड़ेगा ओके मैं सोच रही हूँ
You already closed your notebook.
So my last question is, what is my birthday?
Do we have to write or do we have to
You have to write it. Last question. अभी कुछ ही चंद सेकंड में आप लोगों को विनर और लूजर का पता चल जाएगा. What?
14.
14.
14th August 2005.
So हाँ तो दोनों का ही ठीक है, right?
ज़्यादा मेरा right.
क्यों?
No, because you asked your date, na? So she said 14. It means date.
यार बट हम लोग
हाँ, but normally we write like that.
So he is the winner. Right, Papa?
Okay.
Papa!
Okay.
So-
Whenever the father is winner, he is always the winner because of his daughters.
Yeah!
चॉकलेट दे दो.
I must tell you one thing. Always, the winner should be thankful to the loser
Yeah.
because he wins.
Because the
Because
loser
someone
loses.
loses for him.
Yeah. Right.
Clapping for him.
Yay! So, where's chocolate?
Our cameraman did some glitch.
उसने अपने स्वेटर में डाल लिया बाजू में. So finally, this chocolate goes to
Papa.
Both of us. Thank you.
Then I'm not gonna share it.
Amisha. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like, please like our video. Right?
Thank you.
Wait.
We want your subscription. okay?
Yes, do not forget to subscribe the channel so
So
it motivates her to make more for you and share some love.
Do support her. Okay.
इस वीडियो को शेयर करना वायरल करना मत भूलो इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें बकरी के लिए